How to add scroll in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a scroll bar so your friends can scroll just like real app or website. Let's get into it. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on the device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Now start by creating a frame using a frame tool. This will be your viewport or visible area. Now add contents inside the frame that extends beyond its height or width. This extra content is what users will scroll through. With the frame selected, look at the right hand panel and under Prototype or Design tab, set the overflow behavior to vertical scrolling, horizontal scrolling, or both depending on your layout. Now click the play button in the top right corner to preview. You'll see the scroll bar appear automatically if your content overflows. And that's it. This is how you add a scroll bar on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.